Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to lecture 2 of IELTS preparation series powered by Paragon Overseas Education. In this video, we are going to discuss listening module in detail. The listening module consists of 4 sections. Each section consists of 10 questions and this whole module lasts for 30 minutes. Now we will discuss each section in detail. Section 1 will be the conversation in a social context. You will hear an audio between two people who are talking about something like hotel booking or some announcement. Section 2 will be a monologue in a social context. Moving on to section 3 and 4, section 3 will be a conversation on an educational topic and section 4 will be a monologue on that familiar topic. Let's talk about the types of questions in listening module. In listening module, you will see multiple choice questions, filling the blanks, mapping, labeling, or completion of sentence. Here's a quick tip. Before start any section in a listening module, please read the questions before starting the audio. It will help you to judge the question early and you will get a good score in your listening module. That's all for IELTS listening module. For in-detail preparation and step-by-step guidance, you can enroll in our IELTS preparation course or contact us on our given numbers. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.